Michelle, welcome back to my channel, and today I will bring you a lesson is about grammar. So we will learn about 3 structures in Vietnamese that you use to compare things. So basically it's about comparison of the adjective. Firstly, it's about the comparison of similarity or equality. So usually when you want to say something A is similar to B or A equals to B, the word như, similar or bằng, equal is used to compare the similarity between 2 objects, person or action or anything you want to compare between A and B. So to compare things that are equal or similar or same, you use the structure A plus adjective plus như or bằng plus B. So to make it short, just adjective plus như or bằng. For example, if you want to say Samsung is as expensive as iPhone, you say điện thoại Samsung đắt như điện thoại iPhone. So I have váy đỏ dài 50cm, váy trắng dài 50cm. So I will have cái váy đỏ này dài bằng cái váy trắng kia. Now you understand, right? So is it not always about the positive sentence? We also can make negative sentence. So to form a negative sentence, we just need to add the word không in front of adjective and plus như or bằng. If you want to say this new house is not as beautiful as the old one, it would be ngôi nhà mới này không đẹp bằng ngôi nhà cũ kia. I will give you some comparative adjectives that is common used to compare 2 things or persons. First word is nóng, it means hot. Second, lạnh, it means cold. Mùa đông năm nay không lạnh như mùa đông năm ngoái. This winter is not as cold as last winter. Cao means tall. Thấp means short. Giàu, rich, nghèo, poor. That expensive or cheap is rare. Okay, now we move to the second structure. The second structure is quite similar to the comparison form in English. If you want to say A is better than B, you use the word hơn. So the word hơn is added after an adjective to form a comparative. So we have a structure A plus adjective plus hơn B. One interesting thing is in Vietnam we don't have long adjective or short adjective, so you don't need to consider that you need to add er or more in front of the adjective or after adjective. So we have example, cái túi này to hơn cái túi kia. This bag is bigger than that one. Now you say, right? Second example, mùa đông năm nay lạnh hơn mùa đông năm ngoái. Means this winter is colder than last winter. Or you also can say đi ô tô nhanh hơn đi xe máy. Driving a car is faster than riding a bike. So there are some common adjectives you can use in this case. Hạnh phúc hơn means happier. Đắt hơn, more expensive. Thông minh hơn, smarter. Or xinh hơn, more beautiful. So you just need to remember adjective plus hơn to form a comparative. Okay, the last one. So to form a superlative, we add the word nhất or hơn cả after an adjective. In English, when you want to form a superlative, you usually add the word est at the end of the adjective or most in front of the adjective. But here, we don't need to do that. You just need to remember one word only, nhất. or hơn cả. But to me, I prefer the word nhất. I usually use that. So I wanna say bông hoa này đẹp nhất means this flowers is the most beautiful. Bông hoa is flower. Đẹp nhất, đẹp, beautiful nhất. So to make it the most beautiful. Kinan là cao nhất trong những người bạn của tôi. Cao nhất means tallest. Người bạn của tôi means my friends. Chiếc xe này đắt nhất ở đây. Đắt nhất is means the most expensive. Chiếc xe, this car or this bike. So maybe you wanna buy the most expensive car or most expensive bike at the shop. Okay, that's it for today. We already learned about the comparison of adjectives, so always remember there are three structures. First is about the similarity or equality. The formula is A plus adjective plus như or bằng plus B. Second one is adjective plus hơn. Last one is adjective plus nhất. Basically, there's only three words you need to remember: bằng or hơn or nhất. So now it's time to practice. Please comment down below how can you say Vietnamese food is the best in Vietnamese. Okay, please let me know. I think you can do it because it's really easy. Okay, that's it for today's lesson. I will see you in the next grammar lesson. Bye bye!